Good afternoon. My name is Mike Robinson, Splash Shack. Back in 2018, we opened our first indoor water park, and one of the first challenges that we came across was indoor air quality. We really tried everything. We tried our UV, our ozones. We ended up stumbling across the Clear Comfort and did a trial run on it, and it probably had the most significant impact on our air quality of anything we tried. Much easier to change out the AOP cartridges than it is to change out your UV bulbs and your quartz tubes. Very low maintenance. It's a push button system, easy to install, easy to maintain, and it's done wonders. Also one of the most price competitive systems out on the market, anywhere from 30 to 60% cheaper than any of the other alternatives that we looked at, not only in initial cost, but ongoing maintenance as well. Installation was very simple. The control box to the wall, mount the pump to the wall, run a few tubes, and it was up and running in less than an hour. It uses a lot less energy than the UV systems. There's no ballast, all self-contained unit. And it even comes with everything you need to make one plug out of it. So you plug one in, that controls your controller, that controls your pumps, it controls everything. We simply drop a diffuser in the water, and in our pipe installations where we're running it in line, it's drill a hole, tap it, screw the diffuser in, plug it in, and that's it.